Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell keyboard isn't responding at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may occur due to several reasons, such as a loose connection, a faulty keyboard, or even a software glitch. If left unaddressed, you may find it difficult to use your device effectively, leading to a decline in productivity. To tackle this issue, you will need a screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement keyboard if necessary. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the components inside. Next, locate the screws on the back of your Dell laptop. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, use your plastic prying tool to gently open the back cover. Be cautious during this step. You want to avoid damaging any clips that hold the cover in place. After successfully removing the back cover, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. It is usually a flat ribbon cable. Gently lift the locking tab on the connector to release the cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, if you have a replacement keyboard, take it out and connect the ribbon cable to the same connector on the motherboard, ensuring it is securely locked in place. If the keyboard is integrated, you may need to remove additional screws and carefully lift the existing keyboard out. Once you have the new keyboard in place, it's time to reassemble your device. Place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier, being careful not to over-tighten them as this could strip the holes. Finally, power on your device and check if the keyboard is functioning correctly. If it's still isn't responding, you may need to consider further diagnostics or professional help. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure your keyboard is kept clean and free from debris. Regularly checking connections can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.